played the top F going down to the bottom F to kind of bring it down. And then the dynamics, we've got shh, so quiet. And then forte means loud, and that's a crescendo, so I got louder. I didn't really know what that was, so I kind of just took it as like, yeah.
Okay.
Any questions? Does anyone have any, maybe like something that I might have not have done properly? Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, we're down here every lunchtime jamming. Come back.
Okay. Thanks, Rosie. Thanks, Caitlin. So that brings us to the end of the presentation, colleagues. What I hope is that we are set... Okay, thanks, Alyssa. I hope that we're set up for Cat's Talk in a couple of weeks' time, where these works will be discussed, the specifics of these works. I think that'll be quite interesting. I think, if nothing else, there is a way and a means now to get into what might be suggested by these pieces. The end. Thank you very much. I think there's probably time for some questions. Anybody have a question? Andy.
I can't leave in with that question that might be on everyone's back of everyone's mind, but which I found on a website critiquing this particular exhibition. And I quote, and I'm going to have to read this in the voice I imagine.
Oh, okay. All right.
To label the visual artifacts, such as those proffered here, as graphic scores is an exercise in oxymoronics. It is unethical and intellectually dishonest to arrogate to oneself as the originator of these mysterious doodles, the title composer, and to claim pecuniary benefits for their sonic realization. Royalties which rightly should go entirely to the performers who are the true composers. This activity is a safe refuge for the musically incompetent. Yours sincerely.
Don't mention that person's name.